If you are a React developer or work on any other framework built on top of React, then you know that passing props is an essential part of our lives. We all know how we can pass props from parent to child components. Now imagine you're working on a React project and you have a component that needs to send data to its parent component. So how can you do that? Many of you might be thinking of using Context API or React Redux, but we all know setting them up is an elaborate and long task. So we will need a shorter solution to pass props from child to parent. Well, today we are going to see the process of passing data from child component to the parent component. Now, in React, data typically flows from parent component to child component through props. But what if child needs to pass data to its parent component? This is where we need to take advantage of the callback functions. So how do we do that? It's very simple actually. The parent can pass a function to its child as a prop. The child can call the function and send the data back to the parent. A breakdown of this whole process is the parent component defines a function that will handle the data coming from the child. The child receives that function via props and calls it with the data. The parent gets the data from the child and updates its state accordingly. Let's take a look at an example to make this concept even more clear. So here I have created a new React project using Weed Bundler. As you can see, it's working properly. Count is increasing. Let's consider this app.jsx to be a parent component and we'll make a child component named child.jsx. I'll generate the boilerplate child, right, and let's put this here. See, I have child here and we are gonna be making a button click me. Alright, so what we want is whenever we click this button, the count should increase by 1. So in order to do that, we need to pass a function from parent component to the child component, and then we need to run that function whenever the button is clicked. So let's go ahead with this. First of all, we'll remove this all. Let's create a function const increase count and then set count to be count plus 1. Alright, then we will pass this function as a prop to the child. Let's name it on click function and then we'll give it and then we'll pass the function increase count. In the child component, we'll destructure the props. Next it, and we'll set an on click here. On click. What we want whenever this is clicked is we'll run on click function here. So whenever I click it, the count is increasing by 1. As you can see, we are influencing the parent component whenever something changes in the child component. So what if I want to pass some value from child to parent component? I'll take a parameter here by the name of num. I'll set it to num. Alright. Then in the child component, whenever this is clicked, we can set this number to anything we want. So let's make a function to generate random numbers first. Let's const generate random and make it an arrow function. Let's make it let generated is equals to we'll generate numbers between 1 to 10. Then after that, we'll call this on click function and put generated number inside here. Then we will call this generated random number function in whenever the button is clicked. Alright, so as you can see, now we are able to pass up the values from child component to parent component. You can use this function in many complex ways. You can pass a lot of things from child to parent as well. So that was how you can pass a value from child component to parent component in ReactJS. If you learned something new from this video, consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel.